So we recently redid some of the brakes and rotors on this car with some nice slotted rotors on there. They look nice on the Lexus. Originally there was a kind of a weird noise. We couldn't figure out what it was. The dealer told him it was his brakes. I had my doubts. It doesn't do it all the time. It only does it when you're going probably like over 35. But it's kind of like just a little bumping or clicking noise. Couldn't quite put my finger on it. Until today when I just kind of leaned on the hood and you hear that? I think it was the wind is blowing on the hood, and that is the noise we're hearing. So that's just a matter of popping the hood and raising the hood bumpers up. So I'll show you how to do that. We have two hood pins. One is here, the other is here. And this was all the way down, and basically this just puts a little bit of positive pressure up on the hood. It matches up with that piece right there. So when the hood shuts, that hits here. So if we raise it up a little bit, like so, it should stop the noise. And that's it. That's all it takes to fix it. Alright, so I went in and tightened the hood bumpers, and now no noise when I push on the hood, and solid. So that's all it was. The hood bumpers. One by that headlight, one by that headlight. Very simple. I may even make that a separate video just for the heck of it. That's it.